Hello everyone! For today's video, ako po ay magluluto. I am going to cook a simple dish and it's called waterless chicken. Why it's called waterless chicken? Because I am not going to use water. No water added for this kind of dish. Or just apple, the cabbage, the Chinese cabbage, green onions, ginger, and for the flavor, just a fish sauce and just a little bit kind of small amount of liquid seasoning. So first is just, of course, we're gonna clean up the chicken and then slice the apple. Yes, this is very easy dish to cook. Just slice the apple, all the ingredients, the green cabbage, later gonna slice it also. There's apple. 2 apple is maybe it's enough for the whole chicken. Then there's slice also the Chinese cabbage or the Napa cabbage. Then just slice it accordingly. And then so that's it. Just of course you need a pot. Yeah, just put all the ingredients in the pot. First I put under the leafy vegetable, the cabbage, and then next is the apple, some of the sliced apple there, and then the whole chicken. So the chicken, I put some ground pepper on it there, ground pepper for seasoning. And then the green onions, I will put the green onions inside the chicken. There's the fish sauce. I'm using fish sauce. And then there, just a little amount of liquid seasoning. There's the ginger, and the last one is, oh no, that's the lemongrass. You stuff the chicken with the spices and the seasoning. So that's the green onion there. And then after that, I just add some of the apple on top of the chicken, and that's it, ready to cook. It's ready for cooking. There. Then just cover it and let it simmer. Just let it simmer until liquid is coming out. The liquid comes from the apple and the cabbage. So that's where you produce the there. You can see the water. Yeah, just let it simmer until the chicken is cooked and well done. So that's very simple, easy, simple, and of course it is delicious. The taste of the soup is kinda sweet, and I hope you can try it too. there's the chicken, our waterless chicken. And just flip it over. I flip it over so that the other side will be submerged on the liquid. And I hope you can try cooking this kind of, dish also. And there you go, the waterless chicken. Easy, very simple dish. No water needed. Now that's the finished waterless chicken. And then lastly, I made just for toppings, the scallion with olive oil. So there you go, the waterless chicken made by yours